Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about organizing your life, your work, and your money. We are still in the midst of our How to Organize Your Life series, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about setting up your home planner. So this is actually the third video that we have talked about specifically on personal planning, family planning, home planning. If you missed the setup of this planner, I will link that video above. I also talked about family planning on yesterday, so you could also catch up on that video. But today we're going to talk about home, specifically your cleaning schedules. I'm going to walk you through how I organize my cleaning schedule. Now, I must say this is a very simple setup. I'm not even sure how long this video is going to be because of how simple my setup is when it comes down to my cleaning schedule. I like to keep it extremely simple so that I know that I can do it on a consistent basis. So first, let's start with my actual cleaning schedules. At the very back of my planner, I have a section that is called cleaning, and this is not a planner. It is actually just my inserts. It's just some pages that I created on my overall cleaning schedule. So I have broken down my cleaning into daily, weekly, monthly, weekends, and when did I last. So let's look at my system. First, I have daily routines. So I have a daily morning routine and a daily evening routine. In my morning routine, I will do laundry. I like to do one load of laundry. I will make beds. I will sweep the floors. I will pick up any clothing that is laying around the house. I will put dishes away, and I will put away any jewelry, because sometimes I will take off my jewelry in other areas of the house, usually in the living room, but I will usually put it back where it belongs, upstairs. And this is what I do every single morning. This entire process will take me about 30 minutes, and I like to keep it that way so that I don't have a really long cleaning routine that I have to do every single morning. In the evening, I will do another 30 minutes. I will sweep the floors, I will wipe down all the counters, pick up any clothing that is laying around throughout the course of the day. I will organize my desk and put my work away. So I have dedicated 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. Instead of me doing an hour in the evening, I know that this is still an hour, but me breaking it up makes it much easier for me to actually do it. So I will do this process as soon as my girls leave for school. So it's around 7 a.m. when this happens. So from 7 a.m. to 7:30, I am doing this, and then I will start my planning routine and get my coffee and get ready for my day. This process usually happens as soon as I am done with work. I will usually organize my desk, put my work away, and then I will do these things here, and then I will start cooking and relaxing for the evening. So this is my daily cleaning routine. So think of the things that you want to do on a daily basis. Try and write them down. I like to stay on top of rooms that usually get the most traffic throughout the course of the day. So my living room, the dishes, we always have dishes. I always need to do laundry. So I try and stay on top of those things on a daily basis. The next cleaning routine that I have is my weekend cleaning. So my weekend cleaning usually will happen on a Saturday, and this is where I'm doing all of the other things that I don't usually get to at the beginning or during the week. So I have things like changing the sheets and watering the plants and emptying the trash, putting out fresh hand towels, cleaning the microwave, the oven, just other things that only usually will happen on a weekend when I have a little bit more time. On my weekends, I will dedicate about 3 to 4 hours to do these things on a Saturday and a Sunday. So usually Saturday morning, I will do some cleaning, and then Sunday afternoon, I will also do some cleaning. So I love having this sheet because I can refer to it and check off everything that's on here. On the next page, I do have my weekly cleaning list, and this is just rooms that I like to dedicate a little bit more time to throughout the course of the week. So I have my daily morning routine. This usually is always in the front room, the living room, the kitchen. It's those high traffic areas. But when it comes down to my PM routine, I will usually pick one of these rooms to do this particular routine. So it is set for 30 minutes, but I will do it in a different room just depending on the day of the week. So on Mondays, I will do it in the living room and the kitchen if it needs it. Sometimes my living room and my kitchen does not need a weekly cleaning because it is a part of my morning routine, because those are high traffic areas. So I'm constantly cleaning these two rooms, but I do have a day dedicated to it just in case I didn't get to it throughout the course of the week in my AM routine. On a Tuesday evening, I will dedicate some time to my guest bathroom. Wednesday is my master bedroom and bath. Thursday is my girls' rooms, and then Friday is the office in the studio. So like I said, I am dedicating 30 minutes every single day to each one of these rooms. So it just allows me to kind of pick up and make sure that it doesn't get too out of hand. Am I getting the room spick and span? Probably not. But that's what Saturday and Sundays are for. And then I'm not overwhelmed on the weekends by trying to clean it from top to bottom, because I have worked on each room a little bit throughout the course of the week. The other routine that I have is my monthly cleaning routine. And these are just some additional things that I'm probably not going to do on a weekly basis, like wiping the walls or the air vents or checking the smoke alarms, baseboards. All of those things just usually happen on a monthly basis. And the last routine list that I have is my when did I last list. So these are items that don't have to happen on a monthly basis. They don't have to happen on a weekly basis, but I do want to make sure that I remember them from time to time. So usually I will come and I will just check this list. I will see the last time that I did something, and then I will make sure that I'm just staying on top of it. I highly, highly, highly recommend that you do a when did I last list. I feel like it's super helpful in making sure that I stay on top of those particular areas. How I am using this cleaning list with my planner is I will write down whenever I am in a specific room, whenever I have cleaned a specific room, I will write it down. So I have the different things that I'm doing with my family at the very top here, but I also have what rooms I have cleaned on a particular day. So on the 29th, I did the dishes, I did clean the refrigerator, and I cleaned the laundry room. And then on the 7th, I did the living room, the dining room, and the bathroom. This is our downstairs bathroom. So having it listed here and just writing it out lets me know what rooms I want to clean on a specific day. And like I said, once again, I'm only dedicating 30-45 minutes at the most to doing all of these areas. I really try my best not to put too much time into it because I want to be consistent. And I know if I want to be consistent, then I do a little bit every single day. If I have to dedicate 4 hours to cleaning every single night, it's not going to happen on a daily basis. So to show you how I write this out on a particular week, this is the current week, and I am just going to refer to my list to see what rooms I'm supposed to be cleaning on what days. So this is the living room, and the kitchen is going to be on Monday. Let me actually pull this out. It's going to be easier. So I'm just going to write it down, living room and kitchen. And then on Tuesday is the guest bathroom. Wednesday is the master bedroom and bath. Thursday is going to be our girls' rooms. And Friday is going to be the office in the studio. So I will write it all out here. I will check it off with my red pen after I do it. And if I don't do this particular room, then usually I will write what I did instead in red. And that's the simple way that I stay on top of my house. I know that that sounds really, really simple, but it really is. And I try and keep it simple so that I don't end up overwhelming myself with all of the different areas of the house, or I don't feel like I have to do a massive cleaning session every single week. And usually when I am doing this, I may also assign different parts of the house to different people in the house. So like my girls' rooms, I will ask them to clean their rooms. So then that way I don't have to do it. you know, I'm giving some responsibility to them, and they are on top of their own rooms. And so I can just go in on a Thursday and make sure that they're doing it, or make sure, or help them if they need any help. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed my simple cleaning routine. Just wanted to show you how I organize it and how I stay on top of it on a consistent basis. But tracking it within my planner every single week and just writing down the different areas that I organize or that I clean does help me to stay on top of it. It's very simple, but it's really helpful to do it this way. I hope that you have enjoyed this one, and I hope that you let me know in the comments below, how do you maintain your cleaning schedule within your home? If you want more videos on how to get organized and how to organize your life, your work, and your money, make sure that you check out my new membership called the Organize You. Over on the Organize You, we have weekly classes that help you to get organized. I also do member audits. We have a book club, and you get access to all of my planner downloads that help you organize your life. So I hope to see you over there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.